to another video. As you can see by the subtitle, we have brought back the go-kart. The go-kart is back already. As you can see, the go-kart has been sitting at my friend's house for quite a while now. Today we'll be replacing the carburetor down here. This part right here, this baby right here. We'll be replacing that off because this one's kind of old, so we're going to replace with the kind of newish ones. But the only thing is that we are replacing it with this one right here. This used to be the blower, so you may know it's always in the background. Hopefully I can find a scene or picture. This is the one that the blower had, and apparently piston broke off, so we couldn't find any more parts, so we had to get a new one. So this is the part that we'll be installing in the go-kart, as well with the more what's it called, air filter that's gonna be going on. So now it's gonna have air going in and probably get a little bit more horsepower. But apart from that, we are maybe replacing the exhaust as well. Maybe it depends if it fits or not. So yeah, and then we're replacing this part here with the spark plug, as my brother has it over here. This is the one that we'll be adding to, so it doesn't shock us when we do stuff like this. But apart from that, the go-kart's back. And yes, you guys might be asking if I've been uploading late. Well, as you see, I have school, and apart from that, I'll be uploading every 2 weeks from now on, unless if it's a music video or some shit like that. But yeah, and yes, we still have my car that's still for sale. But yeah, it's still here. It's just in the backyard, just laying there. You guys aren't gonna see it in the background either way. But apart from that, hopefully get to give myself a better one. But apart from that, let's get started working on this. And yeah, we're doing a little time lapse, and we got to take all this stuff out and see how it's gonna look like. And yes, I'll give you guys a little cinematics after everything is done. But apart from that, let's start getting working on.
Gotta act hard in the cloud, what I'm chasing. Shorty pull up, slay, Jason. Pull up and cool, swerve, racing. I keep a check, blue, face it. Low one ain't gotta hate on me. I'm on my grind, no Tony. Bitches gon' hate, they phony. And I'm a beast, pity, This shit gon' bang, chitty, Gotta put on for my city, Bitch, I keep everything I think I had enough. All this money got me acting up. Niggas be mad as fuck, cause they know I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. Niggas be mad as fuck, I gotta bag it up. I think I had enough. All this money got me acting up.
We just took out the whole thing as you saw. And apart from this now, apart from this, we cleaned the part that's gonna go in. So we have to remove this part right here because it's big and you have to use the small. So my brother's cleaning this stock one, and then we could add it on and see if hopefully it works. And then we'll figure out how to add this part here onto the go-kart, and as well, hopefully, as you guys may see over here, here's the exhaust that we might add. We might. And it's right there. That's the exhaust right here. This is the exhaust. And yeah, hopefully that fits and make the go-kart a little louder. But apart from that, my brother's cleaning over there the stock thing that's gonna go through this one, and then we're gonna get better flow. The old one, by the way, is right here, and as you can see, here's the old one, and this is the one that we're just gonna keep in case something goes wrong. But apart from that, we're gonna still keep working, and hopefully it goes well. So yeah, let's keep working. have here is the carburetor added. And that's how it looks like as for now. There it is. There's the old one over there, right there. And that's how it looks like as for now. My brother's just checking the fuel line, see if everything's going well, and then hopefully we can get this thing started soon. But this thing's gonna sound so probably different, and hopefully more horsepower out of this. There it is. Here's the old one. Here it is. Here's the old one. And then yep. So now we're just gonna check everything, and then we'll probably add that and see how it works out. But yeah, we continue with the time lapse. Alright, you guys, as you can see, we didn't have the exhaust because the part did not fit here. This one's too long and that one was too short, so we didn't fit that one. But apart from that, we are about to start the go-kart with the new carburetor and manifold, or whatever you call it, intake, whatever you call it. We're gonna add it. Air filter. We're gonna add it now. We're gonna start it up, see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well. We don't want to mess this one up. But apart from that, it's gonna get a little bit more horsepower.
Perhaps.
But we're gonna give it its first start.
You give it.
And yeah, so here we go. Here you go.
It pops.
I almost use it holding the seat. Hold the intake or air filter.
I'm holding it.
So as you guys saw, it did so good. It does need a little bit more adjustments here and there, but overall it does very well. But apart from that, it does need a spray and does want to keep going, but it does smell like a lot how the old blower was. But yeah, as you guys can tell, this is from an old blower, so we're shielding part from it to the go-kart, making it more better and faster a bit. But apart from that,
I smell the blower smell.
And apart from that, it does. I feel like it has more horsepower now. But we'll have to see.
It's not my fault.
We'll have to see what happens. But apart from that, we'll still keep working and hopefully it goes well. So after a couple of like hours later, we managed to get this thing on. Now it's bolted here, so now there's no issues. Hopefully this thing does not pop out. We did customize it. My brother did most of the work, but that's how it looks like as for now. But we're gonna go test. My brother's gonna go test drive it and see how it works. But before that, I'm gonna add the cover on here, so hopefully it doesn't hit that part right there. But yeah, that's how it looks like. And the go-kart's right out here. We get it out, and now we're just gonna turn it on, let it warm up, and then we can test drive it around here in the island. So yeah, here we go. So as you guys saw, the engine will always shut off. So we're gonna be adding the old carburetor back on,
Part 2.
but that'll be in a different video. But we are still gonna add this intake though, or airflow as you call it. We're gonna still add it. So yeah, this is a failed one, but we're gonna be adding another one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Pocket pussies.